Hi, in this video I'll show you how to set up learner menu navigation in your Academy and add custom tabs with useful links to external resources. Customizing the navigation allows you to personalize the Academy interface and give learners quick access to important resources. To access the navigation settings, open the visual settings of your Academy and go to the navigation block. Here you can create your own tabs, up to 3 additional items in the Learner navigation menu. Each tab includes icon, the name, and the link field. You can edit or delete the tabs whenever you need, and you can use the preview option to see how the navigation will appear for learners. Preview is available on desktop or mobile devices. How it looks for learners. Your learners will see additional tabs on their home page. This way they always have important information and tools at their fingertips, without needing to look for them outside the Academy. I hope that helped, and good luck with your Academy!